All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into how to actually save and recall your seat position memory. So this feature ensures that your seat is always in the perfect spot every time you drive, guys. So ready? Let's go, guys. I've added for you a layout of an outline of the steps at the top left. You can follow along. So step number one, okay, if you want to adjust the seat to your preference, so you just start by adjusting your seat to the exact position that you actually want. You want to use the controls on the side of the seat, okay? You want to tweak your height, your distance, your lumbar support if you have that option in your model, and tilt, okay? And once your seat is actually perfectly adjusted, just tap controls on the touchscreen, okay? Then you want to go to driver profiles and then just select add a new driver, or you can just navigate to security and drivers, go to manage drivers and then add a driver, okay? Those are in your driver profile settings. So what you want to do is you want to click on add a new driver and then, or you can just pick an existing profile. And then basically, guys, what you want to do is click on save, okay? Click on save to actually lock in your current seat settings under your profile. And guys, if you have actually also adjusted your mirror and steering wheel settings, then you can, these settings can also be saved under the same profile. Just make your adjustments and hit save again. This is optional, but if you want to just do seat, you can just do seat. So if you're actually switching profiles, guys, you can just tap on your profile name on the touchscreen. And basically what's going to happen, the seat, the mirrors, the steering wheel, everything will be automatically adjusted to this saved settings. And guys, if your Tesla key or phone is also linked to a specific profile, the car will automatically recall the seat settings when it detects the key or phone. And you can actually adjust this under driver profiles, for seamless transitions, guys. And that's it, guys. Now you always have your perfect seat set up ready to go. Guys, I want you to hit that link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Till next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.